day representing the core principles of a successful business organization, which is the accountability, fairness, transparency, and stewardship.
Unya, for the negosyo na tani.
Let's go!
For the product launch, Baclayon will handle marketing and Ikaros sa design. Let's have weekly updates to make sure we're on track.
Sige, no problem, sir. I'll take charge. Copy that, Sir Jeremy. This will be exciting.
Wala pa lang na mga materials. Ano wala na rin yung mga marketing materials?
I thought marketing was running it, pero wala niya rin. Oh, I didn't know it was good today. Wala na nakapipigli.
Without accountability, the project failed miserably.
Let's fix this. From now on, we will use task tracker and have weekly check-ins. This is better for our organization.
Idea. Everyone will know the tasks and deadlines clearly.
Practicing accountability made the team more efficient, saving the next project from disaster.
Promote senior employees regardless of their performance. Shortcut na lang. But ma'am, di ba ang preferred na high performers? I don't think it's a big issue. Seniority rules.
Paikot-ikot lang mula nung mailang gawa ng iyong tingin. Di sinasadyang mahulog mahibang, aasa na tayo sa huli. Aaminin ko.
Uy, ganun ka.
Oy! Salamat, pero mura dili fair. Kidagan pa mas deserve mo.
This naman is, I work so hard but wala ko promotion.
Maybe wala sila natanaw sa performance na to. Grabe!
Lack of fairness led to employee dissatisfaction and low morale.
A few moments later.
I realized we made a mistake. Starting now, promotion will be based both on performance and seniority. Ngayon naman, everyone will feel valued.
By implementing fairness, the organization built trust and motivated employees to excel.
We also have employee benefits due to budget issues. The rise of the government.
Sir, it's my most problem here.
We will deal with it to mga cameras na.
My benefits were not with an explanation. Didn't management inform us what's going on?
Lack of transparency caused confusion, distrust, and lowered morale.
We apologize for not being transparent earlier. Here is the company's financial situation in our budget plan. Feel free to ask a question.
Salamat, sir. We appreciate the honesty.
Transparency restored trust and improved employee cooperation, boosting morale across the organization.
Let's save money by using cheaper materials for now. Let's forget about sustainability.
This will harm our reputation. Long-term consequence, Bea.
Short-term cost cutting is more important for now.
This product used to be high quality. Ganun karon dali na kain mo ba?
Sino kung palit ang kay bad palit?
Neglecting stewardship harmed the company's reputation and customer loyalty.
So, we made a mistake by focusing on cost cutting. From now on, we will prioritize sustainability and quality materials.
Great idea. This will benefit our business image. See, practicing these principles makes a big difference in business success.
Unya, pwede na business na.
Okay!
Aaminin ko pa, o baka bigla lang mawala kung ano mang pumapagitan sa ating dalawa.